how to invite your friends to like your Facebook page. So another tutorial for today. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be updated in this channel. So first, we are here on our Facebook page that you are managing. As you can see, if you are managing it, you can see the settings here and other tools for managing the page. So what we are going to do to invite first is to check if you are logged in from your Facebook page, and here is my personal account. And then here, what we are going to do is click on the three dots here and simply choose invite friends. So this will ask you on to switch for your personal account. Just click on switch. So this will switch to your personal account, and then it will show you your list of friends. So your list of friends will be shown here. It will be a complete list of friends. And what you would do, just select the friends that you want to invite, and it will here, since I click it, the send invites is activated. So I hope this helps, and see you on the next video.